National alert. National alert. Regular programming had been suspended due to this national alert. Please stand by for an emergency alert system activation.
The following message is transmitted at the request of the United States government. This is not a test, I repeat. This is not a test. Our planet is slowly coming to an end. Around 9:40 p.m. Central Standard Time, there were many reports of Earth's atmosphere being slowly replaced by nitrous oxide, more commonly known as laughing gas. The effects of laughing gas have begun and have caused the deaths of billions of people, animals, plants and bacteria on Earth. We also had shared some disturbing news about the situation. There will be no way of stopping this horrible event from escalating any further. There is no place to escape from this. There is no reason to stay calm, go into panic mode. All residents of the United States, if you're still alive, gather your friends and family and pray for our final moments together. I have selected a quote from Dr. Seuss to be read on the air. Be who you are and say what you feel, because those who mind don't matter and those who matter don't mind. Don't cry because it's over. Smile because it happened. This station will sign off for the final time with our national anthem. Please stand by as we conclude the final activation of the emergency alert system.